Dr. Nichelle Gurley, specialize in prenatal, postpartum, and pediatric chiropractic care, along with prenatal and postpartum fitness and rehab. We're going to review suboccipital massage. So the suboccipital muscles are the muscles that lie at the base of the skull to the top cervical vertebrae. These are commonly known as some headache muscles because if they're tight, they can create some headaches. And usually people know they have some pain back here. I'm going to encourage you to use yoga tune-up balls. They come in a bag together. You can take them out and use the balls separate, but we will use them in the bag today together to get on both sides of the suboccipital muscles, on the left and on the right. And again, this is going to be at the base of the skull, top of the cervical spine. If you don't have this, you can put 2 tennis balls or 2 lacrosse balls in a sock and tie them together, or you can tape together 2 balls with some athletic tape. So what I'm going to do is lie down, and you can do this without a book or a yoga block, but this just helps it a little bit more. You're going to place this at the base of your skull, which is that base of that occiput bone, and you can just rest there for a moment and take a couple deep breaths in, and then allow your head to sink into the balls. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to shake my head in a yes movement and get into the muscles that way. And then I'm going to shake my head into a no movement. And if you find one spot feels better than another, like if I look over my right shoulder, I feel a lot right there. So you can just hold and create a little more pressure into there. You can also use your feet, so you can let your head be passive and not press. And you can point your toes, which pulls my head down into flexion. I'm going to pull my toes up and lean back. So you can do a motion like this where I'm leaning my head back. As I pull my toes forward, I point my toes and I look down towards my toes. So that's another way you can do it. So again, big ones are going to be just to rest onto the balls. Next one is to shake your head nice and slow. Yes. And then shake your head nice and slow. No. And that's one way you can get into those suboccipital muscles with yoga tune-up balls.